Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink, we want to talk about the possibilities, what the market could be doing here next. And we are currently here on our way up. We have seen a bit of a retracement, currently trading at around $25, to be specific, $24.89. In my view, we have seen here throughout this move up, we've seen an impulse to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, came then down in a wave A in an impulse, and in my view, we are here still in this correction. There are a few possibilities how to actually interpret this correction here. This could become something more complex, like an A, B, C, D, E range or triangle, pretty much as IOTA it did after it then broke down. That is one possibility with this A, B, C, D, E. The next possibility is to see this purely here as an A, a B, and a C correction, yeah, that we are currently seeing here. From which we would then, after we have hit here wave B target area, we would then move to the downside here. So just take these out here. The other, when we came up from down there, from this support line here, this ascending support line, and after we broke the 20-day moving average, obviously I made you aware that we crossed an important fib level here. We have crossed the 20-day moving average, and that this could be a bit of a potential here to move up. And when we then came down to $28, which was in the last video, I told you that personally I would start to think about profit taking for everybody who's in there in a short trade, basically because we were getting here close, very close to the overbought range. Now we then dropped down after I made that video from $28 to $24. Now, my view was actually that we could, because we briefly broke already above this fib level here, that we could move to the next fib level at around here, either $32, or actually I think I showed it to you the other way around. We took the high from that wave to the low, and here we could see that we actually came all the way up to the 0.5 fib level of that wave, that retracement. And my view was that we could get here to $30. The 0.618 fib level, but it was only pretty much a bit like a fake out here. We did not successfully test this resistance level as support, therefore we dropped. But that is what I recommend, you know, whenever the price on the daily is getting close to overbought or is getting overbought, for everybody who's obviously short-term trading, definitely consider it. You know, I can't obviously tell you sell or buy because everybody's got their own strategy. That's up to you. You know, I'm not doing any training here or mentoring really. That is something completely different. But everybody's got their own, you know, strategy. Some people just hold, some people do short-term trading. Some people just trade pullbacks to moving averages like this one, you know. Some people would possibly go in long here. You know, we found support here on the 200-day moving average. It's a pullback to a 200. We even came down to the 20. Well, found support, bounced off. Some people might go long now. You know, that is, everybody's got different strategies. But overall, yeah, we were getting here close to overbought on the daily. Therefore, I said, look, think about profit taking potentially. And yeah, then we dropped, obviously found support here, which is good. And potentially we could now, if that holds, move up further from here. Maybe we then get to that $30 level, or even we will get into this target area here. This to be honest also depends on Bitcoin. So these short-term moves I think always are impacted by Bitcoin. I don't think we are here in a sustainable uptrend. I don't think we have built the foundation to really make new all-time highs from here. And what makes me think that is here this price structure. Told you before, at the moment only a lower high here, a lower low. The price seems to be rolling over here. And yeah, as I said in the last video, we might not even get here. This was one scenario, this A, B, and C. We might not even get here. We might, depending on what Bitcoin is doing, we might roll over straight away and get into my target area down there, where I would think the correction will be completed. That is the wave C, below the wave A. That is where I think we would need to see that wave C to come into here, the $6 and $11.50 levels. In between there, I would expect the price to go. That's typically for altcoins here a typical retracement level in these waves, but we've got a very strong support line here, and that is also why in the last video I said this could really be a bit of a move up. And yeah, it's pretty much what it's done. However, nothing too exciting, to be fair, nothing too exciting. And we are currently here caught in a range between the 0.618 FIB level at $20 and the 0.5 FIB level at $26.50 roughly. Yeah, so we're pretty much here in this range at the moment. And overall, the chart doesn't look too strong. And independent on which scenario here might play out, this ABCDE, which I showed you, or we might get to $30 and then bounce down, or we might get into this target area here, this higher level wave B, from that wave 5 A, B, C. Even then, you know, after that you would go down. I can't see here a sign of an impulse to the upside. You know, you would need to see here a higher low and a higher high, then we could possibly break that structure. But overall I can't see it, and I am quite confident that we would see that lower price target area. But overall, I think in the short term, the price could have some good potential here to find support here, because it's a cluster of support levels, and then move higher, possibly here all the way up to into the target area. Let's see if we're getting there. And then, however, I would expect a final move here to the downside. Hopefully you liked the quick update about Chainlink. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.